Hello everyone, welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. And in this video, I'm going to be kicking off a series about how to make money with PLR products. This is going to be part one, and each part, I don't know how many parts there's going to be, but in each part, I'm going to reveal like a new strategy, a new way to make money with PLR products. So this is how to make money with PLR articles. There may be I might use videos, how to make money with PLR videos and ebooks and things like that. But first, if you want to learn how to make money using PLR products, I just launched my brand new course called PLR Profits Academy. In this course, I show you exactly how I make passive income month after month, year after year, using only PLR products. The course consists of over 3 hours of over-the-shoulder content and over 30 lectures. If you want to learn a real business model and earn steady income each month, then check out PLR Profits Academy by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get back to today's money-making strategy. This is going to be like a free mini course, like a series. I'll put it into a playlist, so you're welcome to check it out. This is definitely some premium content that I would actually put into a course, a paid course, but I'm going to be giving this away for free on the channel just for being a viewer and just for being a subscriber. So let's jump in. So this one is how to make money with PLR articles. So, as you know, there's PLR videos and e-courses you can get. There's ebooks, there's articles, packs, there's all kinds of graphics, PLR graphics, and there's PLR coloring book pages. There's all kinds of PLR type products. In this particular strategy and video, we're going to go over how you can take PLR articles, and we're going to find free articles. I'm going to show you one of the best article directories that you can get free PLR articles and do whatever you want with them. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can take these articles and build a YouTube channel, a monetized YouTube channel that you can make passive income from. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to go over here, and you're going to go over to Google, and you're going to type in free PLR articles database. And what's going to show up, there's a bunch of them. There's plrdatabase.net. A couple of these are paid memberships. But the one that we're going to be interested in that is free, that they kind of have this a little messed up, but I think it's about over 200,000. They almost make it look like there's a million, but I think there's about over 200,000 free articles on this website. So we're going to go to Killer PLR Articles. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you over to this site here. And this is what the front of the website looks like. So you're going to go to Killer PLR Articles, right? And it is kind of, they do kind of have like a messed up heading right there. You can't tell if it's a million articles or if it's 100,057 articles, but nonetheless, it's a lot of articles, and they're free. These are free articles, really, really cool stuff. So what you can do is there is categories. So you're going to go and you're going to check out the free articles, the categories, right? And look at all these categories. And if you're even looking for a niche research, man, they've really broke down the niches really, really well. This could be great just for niche research. I mean, when you're talking about health and fitness, just saying that you're in the health and fitness niche, or even just, I'm in the weight loss articles niche, it's so big. A lot of times you'll just say that you're in the weight loss niche, but really, or the health and fitness niche, but really look at all these niched down. This is called niching down into real more specific. And then even you can get even way more specific. Even if you're talking about exercise, what kind of exercise, right? If you're doing like HIIT type exercise, or there's just all kinds of different types of exercises that you can even niche down further than this, but they do a good job at giving you a pretty broad range of niches. I like that. So instead of just saying that you're in the self-improvement niche, you could build an entire YouTube channel based on just spirituality, motivation, leadership, inspiration, and happiness. So let's just take an example here. We're going to take happiness. So you can click on the happiness link here, right? It's going to take you in, and there's just a ton of articles. I mean, look at this. I really like this website because And you can just see there's page after page after page, but you can take these articles, right? And they're free to use. They're PLR content. So you're not going to get, slapped with, using somebody else's content and like that. And if you want to go with some long content, I really like this site because they categorize it well. And then they also put how many words are in each article. See, look at that, 744 words. And once you start doing voiceovers, and putting voiceovers and videos together, you're going to know how many words are going to get you how many minutes of video, right? And so, yeah, you might want to be doing 8 to 10 to 12 minute videos, and you're going to need 1,000+ words to do that. You could put together 4 or 5 minute videos to get started, just to get your channel going. But eventually when you start, you want to get that watch time up and everything. You want to get people watching 3 to 4 minutes of your video each time. And so you're going to need 8-minute plus videos to do that. And so let's just take an article, right? So you have 20 ways to make someone smile. And, it's only 344 words. So I would say that that's a little too small. But what can we do? Can we combine a couple of these articles together? We absolutely could, because this article here, 20 ways to make someone smile and 7 unique ways to make someone smile. Those are basically the same thing. You're going to get different tips in each. And so if you take that and you take the 344 words and you plus 5, 11, you're going to end up with 855 words. Once you record your voiceover, do your intro and outro, you're going to have an 8-minute video. And so that's important. So you can combine those, or you could just take one, and you're going to grab that content, and then you can take that over and record it. Click on one of these, open up the article, and you can paste it in Word. This is just quick tips here, really, really easy. And you can, paste that one. And I actually want to look at the other one as an example. That one's just really listed out, but if we go to 7 unique ways, and it's 511. So this one might be a better listed tips article. Yes, absolutely. So, you can grab the content, right? Grab the content here, and you can start combining, this. Then go over, open up a WordPad, start and record that, right? Once you have your audio recorded, or you can outsource it to Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr and outsource it for $5, $10. Once you get your audio back, then you can use a service like Vidnami. I will drop a link below if you want to check it out. Vidnami is a really, really great software that will allow you to create these videos quickly. It will do most of the work for you. And you can put your audio and your voiceover, and it will find relevant videos and images, and it will even put the text on the screen. It's pretty amazing software. So you almost can't do this without the software. So then you do that, and you have a video, right? And so how are you able to, how do you create your title for YouTube, right? So we come back here. So in this one, remember we were talking about smile, how to make people smile, things like that. Well, what you can do is you can go into your YouTube account, and if you're using TubeBuddy, which I recommend, you can go in here and you can actually start kind of typing stuff in, like how to make a sad person happy. So you can see people do type that in. And we're going to just kind of see what TubeBuddy says about that. And it's saying it's a good keyword. I like to go for very good or excellent. Anything in green is good. So you're able to find this has search volume. It has medium competition. And so an optimization, it's saying that you're able to really optimize for this. And there's other ones you can get through too. So I like to do my research and see if we can get a green keyword here. So you've got a green keyword, and you've got articles that you can create for free, right? And it's just golden. You can build a YouTube channel based on free PLR content and using Vidnami for about $30 a month, and you're set. And you can just attack it, do one video a day. And after 3 months, you will be surprised at how much momentum you actually gain. So one more thing I wanted to share, my favorite place to get articles, PLR content from is bigproductsstore.com. And so when you're here, let's see if I'm still logged in or not. But what you'll do is you can actually go over to products, and you can go to articles pack. and it will show up all the different article packs that they've had. There's several, and there's another way to search for the article packs as well. I'm just going to keep going. You can also type in articles over here. Just type in articles, and different articles will show up. And then they have, from a few years ago, they have PLR articles, right? They have all these PLR articles packs that they have out. And I went ahead and downloaded one, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and throw that up over here. I downloaded one that was about relationships, okay? And if you go back to Killer PLR articles and go back to categories, they actually have one on relationships as well. Where is it? Society Relationship PLR articles. They have that over here as well. And you can come in here and see all the different types of content that they have for that as well. So really, really cool. But going back to over to here, I've opened this up and I just want to show you how you can take this PLR content and you can find good keywords. So we come over here and look at these articles over here. Okay, look at all these articles, and we're going to go over here, dating for older people, right? Dating for older people, we can check out the article, right? And if you want to check out how long that is, Control A, Control Copy, you can just throw it in Microsoft Word here. And this one is just over 500 words. So it'd be a good about 4-minute video. So now let's see, can we find, is this relevant? Can we still find a good keyword to make it worth making this video for, right? So if I type in, come back over here to TubeBuddy, which is a great tool to validate keywords, dating for older people, not real sure. So that exact title may not be a winner. It's a fair keyword, but it will give you all these other suggestions, right? Finding love after 50, dating, let's see here. So senior dating sites, there's different things. I had found one early, dating for older people. Let's see here. So like, let's say, dating over 60. Let's just see what dating over 60 has. And then you have dating over 60, and then you can start really narrowing this down to try to find a keyword that's green. Okay, so we found one, dating over 60 years old, and we're in green. Very good. So you can take this dating over 60 years old, the main title of your YouTube video, and then you can use this article. Boom, video 1 done, right? So then we can go in and let's say we find another one over here. Get your feelings out. Okay, so we go back over here to TubeBuddy, get your feelings out, and you just type in what they have, and you see all these other ones that are going to show up, right? So the first one that you put up there might not be a good title. It's just fair, but then you start looking at you just start searching over here, right? And you try to find a good title that will help you out, right? That will be a good actionable title for you to take, right? And then finally we can go back over here and find one more. Let's see here, and it's how long to wait to get a proposal. Where is that one? Right here. How long to wait for a proposal? How long to wait for a proposal? It shows up right here. We'll click it. Let's see what TubeBuddy brings back. And it brings back a very good keyword again, right? And so you're getting this, these articles over here with content that is pretty much untapped on YouTube. This is telling us that this is untapped. This stuff has been out since 2014. It's been posted on this site since 2014, and it's untapped on YouTube. So you can grab all these articles for, pennies on the dollar, and you can do your research, get a good title, and use Vidnami, do your voiceover, create your content, build a YouTube channel around a niche topic, and it will work. You stick with it, you grind it out. After a few months, it will be worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this first strategy in this PLR, Making Money with PLRs series. It's a free series. This is part 1. Part 2 will come out soon enough, and I'll add it to the series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable content to you. If it was, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, and if you're not a subscriber to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on premium content like this. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, which are packed with value. Also, click the video link in the top right, which will take you to my secret methods of making money with PLR products. No one teaches this. See you next time.